Dude, man, what's going on, boys? It's your boy Marcel. Y'all see I'm combing my hair out. In today's video, it's gonna be how to bounce back your waves if you haven't brushed for like 2, maybe 3 days. So in today's video, it's gonna be a real quick video. I'm gonna be using my hard, medium, and soft brush, my comb, and my 2 main products, which are my castor oil and my shea butter. All right, man, stay tuned. And so if you're doing this method, I already combed out my hair, but I'm gonna show y'all again. You wanna go ahead and get the comb and just comb your hair out like this. Just comb around, real easy and simple. Combing helps allowing your hair to get more depth, more definition, loosening up them curls that's giving you forks, crashing waves basically. Right, so you want to make sure you comb that crown as well. Crown is important because this is where your hair is growing. So if your crown is off, waves gonna be off. Right, so let's make sure we get the edges, front edges, sides, back. Really get these boys out the way. Comb down. You know what I'm saying, get all that. And I already combed it out. I'm just showing y'all again how it needs to be done. All right. Make sure you get the front edges, the sides. And man, if you haven't brushed your hair for a couple of days, man, hey, stay tuned to this video. It's definitely gonna help you. Let's get it. All right, man, so that's really combing. In the next clip, I'm gonna have my hard brush. Let's get it. Alright, man, y'all see I got the goddamn hard brush, boys. Got the hard brush on. Let me fix this up for y'all real quick, make sure it's good. Alright, got the hard brush. So what we're gonna do with the hard brush, we're gonna go in right away, get into the brushing. Right? So you wanna make sure you brush, real light stroke. Right? So you wanna go down like this. Brushing all around, all around. Easy, easy, easy. Okay. You get the sides. Hey man, if you're liking this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. On the road to 200 subscribers or more. Yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button. So now you're at the top. You want to be like this. Let me see. Let me get a little bit closer so y'all boys can see. Like this. What's up? Don't be too far from the camera now. Like this, crown, brush all the way around like this. One of my favorite methods to do. Then you start off at the back again, then the sides. You want to make sure you don't overlap. Hit this side right here. If you're a beginner waver, follow along. I swear this junk gonna help you for real, bro. Hit this side. And I usually do it 3 more times, so I'm gonna do it 1 more time for you boys. And the other side, I'm definitely gonna speed up, cause I know y'all don't want me to literally do the other side and talk, right? So you do 1 more time, you go down like this. You hit your back sides, basically your edges before you hit it 1 more for your last time. Hit the front side a little bit, so the back, the side, the middle side right here. Next, you hit this side. Right? Man, so I'm gonna speed it up on the next clip. Let's go. Alright, man, y'all see I'm done with that hard brush. Hold on, let me brush the sides down a little bit. In the next clip, we're gonna be using the medium brush. Alright, man, I got the medium brush. I'm kinda gonna do the same thing with the medium brush, but I'm gonna still demonstrate it for y'all. So the medium brush, I'm gonna brush down like this. It's probably gonna be a long video, guys, so stay tuned, man. Stay through the whole video. Brush the side like that. Hey man, how y'all been though, bro? Cause I'm really trying to connect with new people. I see I'm gaining more subscribers. Hey man, how y'all doing? How y'all waves looking? My Instagram is in the link in the description, so you can definitely go look at my Instagram, send me some photos. You know, I can react to it, post it up on my next video. All right, so you wanna hit the crown next? So yeah, man, I'm really trying to really build the community, so I can help you all with your waves. Also help you all with, you know, anything you need help with regarding your hair. So yeah, man, so you want to make sure you go around. I'm doing 3 times because it's been a minute since I haven't brushed my hair in 2 days. So I'm gonna go around one more time for you boys. And the next side, I'm gonna always speed it up. So once I go on the next side, just know I'm gonna speed it up for you. All right, so let's hit it one more time. Sides now. On the next side, I'm gonna speed it up. Let's get it, boys. That's the end of the medium brush. Next clip definitely gonna be that soft brush. That's gonna be that last brush. Then we're gonna hit it with that Ziploc bag, hit it with the products. I'm gonna show y'all boys again how to tie your do-rag. That's always a bonus tip, man. Always that bonus tip. All right, man, let's get into it. So we got the soft brush, you see right here. Any of the products you want that I'm using right now, link is in the description. All right, man, on this one, I'm not even gonna talk. I'm gonna actually speed this whole one up. It's very easy. I do it differently with the soft brush. Let's get it. Alrighty, boys, done with the soft brush. You see I do the soft brush different. I actually just go around the whole head with the soft brush. Hold on, got some stuff right here. Go around the whole head with the soft brush. Hey man, hair look like it's coming together. Next, we about to add the products. Let's go. All right, so these are 2 products I'm using. I said products I'm using. I'm using the shea butter and the oil. All right, next clip, you're gonna see me putting the shea butter in first. Second clip, definitely gonna use my oil. Let's go. Y'all see I added the products, put the oil in there. You know what, I'm gonna add one more oil for y'all real quick. Hold on. Put one more oil in there. Now we about to get started with this Ziploc bag, boys. Ziploc bag, the benefits of the Ziploc bag, it helps lay down all your hairs, getting that frizz down, you know, laying everything down so you can be looking super flawless. Hey man, let's get it, boys. Let's get it. So what I do is I add a little bit of oil on here. Crumble it up like this a little bit with the oil. It's an old school method right here. Like this a little bit. You got the oil. Now we're gonna just lay everything down. Let's tighten that up a little bit more. All right, I'm gonna hit the crown a little bit too, so y'all can see how I'm brushing, well not brushing, laying down the crown. I'm using the shea butter to lay down my crown every time I brush. Why am I using shea butter? Shea butter is slept on. I feel like it's the best pomade you can use if you're looking for a cheap product and you're a beginner waver. Easy product, bro. Easy and cheap product. So you want the products that I'm using, again, the link is in the description below. And again, if you're laying down your crown and you already put your product in, you want to do it just like this. Just like this. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get it out there because it's so thick, but you gotta, you know, get in there, boys. Get in there, get it there. Ladder up, lay down in there. Alright, so we just gonna go around a little bit. This kind of like my favorite part, man, because after this, you put that do-rag on. Woo. See that? So we're just laying it down. And I got a new producer, man. I'm about to have some new music in my videos. Today, the new music is gonna be in this video. I am gonna probably use maybe Lakey Inspired for this video. But I won't be using Lakey Inspired anymore. I have a new guy who's giving me music videos. Well, not music, beats. I'm about to be dropping some nice bangers, boys. It's about to come out looking different. Right now, I am working on getting a better camera. I'm getting a better editing software, but right now, I just gotta work with what I have. Yeah, man, I'm trying though. I'm doing it. Really laid it down. Hold on, before I put on the do-rag, I want to just show y'all how I'm looking real quick. Just did a whole session for y'all, so y'all can just see how I'm looking. Whew, I ain't gonna lie, this boy feels so good, man. I always wash my hair like every week because I got coarse hair. You want your hair to really sit, you want your hair to grow. Man, y'all can see it, boy. That junk feels too good. Like, it feels really, really good. Hold on, guys, over there. Yeah, it feels really good, man. And usually I get a little bit of cocoa butter, kind of mush it up, hit them eyebrows, my mustache. I am getting a haircut maybe maybe next week, because I got some stuff going on. I want to drop some more videos before I get my hair cut. All right, man. So what you want to do next, you want to get your do-rag. If you don't know how to tie your do-rag, I'm about to show you now, but I'm going to be looking this way, right? So you go right here. Make sure you go down to the nose, right? Go down to the nose. You want to fold it over like this. You want to go around like this. So I'm going to start on this side and show y'all. See it? You see this part right here? I'm not going to put that in my mouth, but you could go like this for this side. Then over here, same thing. All right, you want to make sure it's real loose in the back, so when you get up there, it'll be good. Then you want to tie it around right here. Don't overlap it. Like, have it up a little bit so you don't have lines on your forehead. Right here. This one right here. Put it at the top. Alrighty. This way right here. You want to overlap. You don't want no lines on your forehead now. Let me show you how the back looks. So make sure you got the front looking like that with the lines. And tie the back just like that. Nice. Now pull it down. Alright, so you want to make sure it looks like this, man. You see the lines? You got one line right here, one right here. So you won't have any lines when you take off your do-rag. No lines. Alright, man. This is the end of the video. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Let's go, man. Yeah, I'm dropping these bangers. I'm dropping them. All right, man. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. When you subscribe, it shows me that I'm not just doing the videos for nobody. I'm doing it for people who actually want to watch me, who are a beginner waver. That's why I be like, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Because I'm dropping bangers for people who are subscribed and also people who, you know, who are beginner wavers, right? So, again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm looking this way because my junk kind of messed up a little bit. Hit that like button, my bad. Hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to support your boy and, you know, show love to the channel, you know, stuff like that. If you want any, again, any of the products I'm using, link in the description below. All right, man, it's your boy Marcel. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.